Dry version. How's this one, Mama?
Good.
Good? Tastes like the real thing?
I'm just really hungry.
This one is closer to the original recommendation where you don't throw out the water, but I took out half the water. It's still soupy. So don't follow the instruction. Throw out some of the, throw like more than half the water. You need a little bit to mix the powder. But yeah, don't keep all this. This is just diluting the sauce, the flavor from the noodles. And the original recipe called for more water up to here.
I'm trying not to something.
Yeah, this tastes too watery. The flavor's not sticking to the noodles. Let me try it. Okay, so yours.
That's good.
This one looks more legit. Thank you. This one. That one tastes better, where the sauce does stick to the noodle. So yeah, don't do too much water.
You see from these instructions, it says to add all this water, but it doesn't say to drain the water. So if you leave the water, though, it's too much water. It's too water. It's like soup or something. So you should drain the water after you're done cooking the noodles. Drain the water. Leave a tiny bit for the powder, and then just mix it up. Don't keep all that water. So it's supposed to be dry anyways. It's a dry noodle. All right. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.